Now, lesson 4 is the first lesson where you don't need an actual physical candle. So you can be anywhere in a meditative state. If you can meditate on, public transport or at an airport, you can even practice it there. So anywhere where you can find some inner peace and quiet is appropriate for the next lessons. Though the more undisturbed your space is, the more easeful it'll probably be to do the practice. Now, lesson 4, you're going to start playing with the vision of the candle. So you'll get creative and explore how with visualization you can touch into the realm of what feels impossible and also play around with the possible. So you'll grow and move and manipulate and change the flame in your mind's eye. You'll have it flicker high or get very small or multiply into several flames and then go back again. You might bring it close and feel the heat or bring it far away, shrink it. We'll play around with that. So this is so you can expand what your mind can do, can play around and really discover how visualization, it's not only a powerful skill to have in life, it's also incredibly fun and helps you come up with new ideas for both your life, but also just for practicing visualization. So it's an immensely valuable skill set for creativity and for letting your mind explore beyond what you think is possible. So in life, we're often raised, within a certain framework of our parents and our culture and our society, and it can be so challenging to push beyond that. But if we practice with something where it's acceptable, like playing around with a candle flame, there's no real danger to that in our mind's eye. Physical, I guess, is different. Then we'll start applying this, whether we want to or not, in our everyday life as well. So we might be in a meeting or at work or in our relationship and think like, I really dream of this and it feels absolutely impossible, but I think I'm going to try. Or you have an idea that because it didn't feel like it fit into what you thought is possible, you didn't even ever have it in the first place. So this is so very cool to play with. Now, in lesson 5, you're going to start applying your new learned visualization skills directly to something meaningful and transformative. Lesson 5 is all about finding the candle within, or the flame within. I keep forgetting. Candle on its own does not have a flame. So the flame within, you got to light it. And we're working with the metaphor of the spark of life, the fire inside of us, the thing that brings us heat and passion and aliveness. I go back, the spark of life, the flame of life, the fire of life. And you will find and see and feel this flame inside of you. And we'll play around with that in the video. You'll be guided through this beautiful meditation where you get to explore the fire within you, discover where it is, feel it, and then work with it to maybe grow it or to heal it or to light it in the first place if it's not on. And thanks to the visualization skills that you've been practicing, you'll have this very palpable and real experience of the fire within you. And there's some beautiful, beautiful healing practices we can do with that, or empowering practices that you will then, like if you're going through life again, in work, relationships, at home, cleaning, you can always anchor into this flame or feel into this flame within you. It's an incredible practice to have in your toolbox and an incredible thing to associate to and connect with even when you are not in a full-on meditation practice. So the flame within is lesson 5. Now in lesson 6, we're going to apply the flame within further to clear away obstacles, challenges, things that no longer serve. So you probably know about the myth of the phoenix that burns down completely into ashes, only to rise as this incredible bird coming to life. And in that same way, we know that where a volcano explodes and there is ash all around, so much lush life can grow again. So when we take the time to burn away obstacles or challenges or things that resist and try to push back from what we really desire in life or want to embody in life, then we allow for new life to come in. And you probably already have had that experience in your life where something goes away and it's challenging and it's sad to let it go, but in return something new and often much better can come in. So we'll work with the flame as this cleansing and clearing away and transformative tool within us, and really see things burn away and then feel the new life come in, or the light come in. In lesson number 7, we will, now that we've cleared away all the obstacles, there's a logical order to our course, we are going to work with the flame in the metaphor of passion and desire, and give its light and power and heat and energy to the visions we have for ourselves in life, those that come from a deep, deep desire, and work on building that so we can increase the chances of us staying focused and on task and actually attaining it. Now, there's one more little lesson at the end, which is our conclusion and further application. We'll give you a few pointers and prompts of how you can apply this further, things you can try out, other things to visualize with other than a candle flame. So we really, really hope that you benefit greatly from this art of candle visualization, that this course gives you a lot of confidence to practice it. We really, really tried our best to go back like in a magical mystery school and look at each skill that goes into visualization very rigorously, and then apply it directly in transformative, life-transforming ways that have a positive impact, a beautiful impact on your life. In every lesson, there's also the opportunity to comment below and ask questions. So that is available to you as well. And we really, really hope you enjoy this course. I'll see you in the next lesson.